when I try to explain level 3 work, I tend to talk about the way that two things. One is the way production was organized in the can making area, where sudden changes. There was an incoming warehouse for raw materials, a decorating and finishing department, a can making department and an end making department and a warehouse. And those arrangements were working in a way they'd worked for 50, 60 years. And a bright young engineer decided that there were all sorts of difficulties in the interface between one department and another, and different nomenclature, different routines, different timetables. And in order to be more efficient in his view and give a more reliable service to main customers, he argued for and was allowed to try what was then called cell manufacturing. So it was a variety of product organized throughout the factory, as it were, in tubes. And so each cell manager was responsible for incoming material and outgoing product to customer and for customer liaison. And that transformed the factory. So just a different philosophy about the way things were organized was very significant.